Hi, in this video we are going to cover the first couple of steps that you are going to go through to start your next project, which is a collage about you. So on my screen here you can see an example of some past student work. This is essentially the idea we're going for. What you're going to do is you're going to start out by taking a photo of you that we're going to place towards the bottom of the collage, and then you are going to accumulate some images from the internet. You're going to make some of your own and or take some of your own photos to add around the image of you. And then we will also add a background and some other elements to that. Okay, so where are we going to start? You are going to start by taking your photo. So I'll give you a couple other examples so you can get a good idea of what this is going to look like. You can go with a different sort of pose, do what you want with your hands. Okay, what I am looking for in your photo is good lighting. So I want to be able to see you. And as you can see in these, we will turn these black and white and or reduce the saturation a little bit. So it's not necessarily the coloring that I'm looking for, but I am looking for a well-lit photo that tells me a little bit about you. Okay, so the images in the background are also going to tell me about you, but the photo will too. So that is your first step, is to plan out and take that photo. You can take it yourself by setting the self timer on your camera, or you can get some help from a friend. If you do that, make sure they know how to use the camera and you can get a nice, sharp, in focus photo. That's very important. If you want to, you can use the cameras that I gave you. If you need to, for whatever reason, if your card reader in your laptop isn't working yet, or if you're having some other issue, you can use your phone. Okay, so this is one of the exceptions to the rule where you can use your phone. So go ahead and do that if necessary. But like I said, make sure that you're taking a good photo. So snap a bunch of them so that you have quite a few options. Again, I want nice lighting and I want that photo to be in focus. I don't want it super dark and grainy. Okay, so when you have your photo taken, next thing we're going to do is set up your document. So I'm going to go to File and New. The size that I'm going to make this little guy is letter size, so 8.5 by 11. 8.5 for the width, and that's inches. Make sure that's set to inches. 8.5 for the width, 11 for the height, resolution 300, color mode RGB. And hit create. Alright, there we go. There's my new blank document. All I need to do to start is go ahead and place my image in there. So I'm going to place embedded. So file, place embedded, navigate to where you have your photo, and go ahead and place that in. I'll hit the little check mark here to place it, and it's in there. Now I'm just going to drag it down to the bottom, and that is it. All you need to do for this first section of this project is to plan out and take your photo and then place it into your document. And your document needs to be set up at the correct size. All right, that's it for now. Look for more information coming tomorrow.